Welcome to this training video for the Sharp Optimised Visitor Management System. Today we'll be taking a look at the hardware with an overview of it, the different configurations you may have with your solution, as well as the accessories. We'll run through the signing in process for visitors and for contractors, and then we'll take a look at the software. When we dive into the software, we'll have a look at setting this up and then tailoring it to your organisation's needs. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to locate the power button for the visitor management system. This is located on the side of the display on the left hand corner towards the bottom. So once your hardware is turned on and it's up and running, the next thing you may need to do from time to time is check that it's connected to the internet. In order to do this, you'll need to exit out of the full screen mode of the software. Swipe the left hand side in the middle, and then you'll open up the windows. In the bottom right hand corner, there is an icon which will give you access to lots of Windows functions. Tap the network setting, which will show you all the available networks, and if connected to the internet, this will show you that you're connected here. To change the label role, simply slide the Brother label printer out the back of the stand, lift the lid and replace the label roll. Once you've done this, shut the lid, slide back into its original place, and then ensure that the green light is showing on the front of the printer. So I'm now going to show you the signing in process for visitors. Once you've selected signing in and visitor, it'll ask you to type your full name, and then you'll be asked a series of questions which you will have defined in your scoping document. In this case, we've got organisation name, mobile number, and then it will ask you who you're visiting today. Once you've typed the name of your host, it will bring up their name and their job role. Once you've selected them and gone through this process, it will email your host. Then you'll have to capture your photo, and it'll provide a summary of all the information you've entered so that you can change anything that you may have done by mistake if you've entered your mobile number wrong or selected the wrong host. Once you've proceeded, you'll come to a page which will mention important information such as evacuation instructions, which you'll have to acknowledge. It will then print you your label badge. If you would prefer to sign in using a touchless method, simply scan the QR code on screen using your smartphone. Once you open the web page, you'll then be able to carry out the signing in process in exactly the same manner. Now let's show you the signing out process. To sign out, simply click the signing out button and visitor, and then search for your name. Once you've typed it, hit find me, and it will automatically sign you out. If you want to sign out using the visitor label, simply scan it using the barcode scanner at the side of the screen. Now let's take a look at the evacuation app. To get to this page, you will have opened the hyperlink sent to you via email or via text, and within that email or text you will have been given a 6-letter code. You need this code to be able to log in. And once you log in, you'll see all the locations within your organisation that you have access to. In this case, we've got Sharp Business Systems Warrington, which is my local office. And once you click into this, it will either display this Create Event button, or it will display a Join Event button. Create an event starts an evacuation roll call. This could be a real emergency, or it could be a fire drill or a test. Once you tap this Create Event button, this will alert all the other evacuation managers and assistants that you're in the process of starting the event. So they'll be alerted via email or text. And then this will open to a page which has a number of categories. At the top, we've got all. This will showcase all the people that are currently on site. This includes visitors, contractors, and employees. The second tab is employees on site only. The third is employees working remotely, in case you want to mark them as safe. And there's a separate section for visitors and contractors. You may also notice towards the bottom there is a section in red called Assistance Required. This section is for those people who have designated themselves as requiring help when exiting the building. So now I've selected all, you'll see all of my colleagues' names here. They're in the Not Verified section. To tick them as safe, all you need to do is swipe to the left-hand side and you'll see a little Verify tick appear. Once you select this, they will vanish. As you can see, the list is getting smaller and smaller. And on the right-hand side of the tab at the top, we've now got a verified section which has got 4 people within it. By the time you've selected everybody as safe, they will all appear in the verified section. So now let's take a look at the bottom of the app. We've got a summary button, notifications, SMS verify, and leave event. The summary gives you statistics and takes you back to the home page about how you're doing so far. Notifications will show you any messages from within the app from your colleagues who are managing the evacuation. And SMS Verify gives you the ability to send a text message out to everybody on site. So if I hit all and send, this sends an emergency text message to all the mobile numbers you currently have stored within your software. Once we've done this, the text message they will receive will ask them to reply with the word safe, and once they have responded to the text with the word safe, it will then automatically remove them from your summary list. Once you've finished this, select the Leave Event button to leave or close your evacuation event.